Welcome back. Now news from sports. The Football Players Association of India held their annual awards ceremony at a grand function on Saturday. However, a chunk of the awardees were absent. Syed Rahim Nabi, Trevor Morgan and Dampo's Randy Martins missed the occasion for different reasons. Salgankar's Francis Fernandez was voted Fans Player of the Year, while Mandeep Singh was adjudged Young Player of the Year. Dampo Sports Club were the best managed team, while Syed Nabi was presented the Best Indian Player award.
It was a glitzy, glamorous occasion, albeit devoid of all club owners and coaches. The Mohan Bagan contingent are busy playing a friendly in Nepal, which explained the absence of Player of the Year winner Syed Rahim Nabi, while East Bengal are preparing for their final local league match, which meant Coach of the Year Trevor Morgan could not make it for the function. Nevertheless, here are the winners. FPAI Player of the Year Syed Rahim Nabi, Mohan Bagan. FPAI Coach of the Year Trevor Morgan, East Bengal. FPAI Foreign Player of the Year Randy Martins, Dampo Sports Club. FPAI Fans Player of the Year Francis Fernandez, Salgankar Sports Club. FPAI Young Player of the Year Mandeep Singh, Air India. And FPAI Best Managed Club Dampo Sports Club.
It feels really great to have this award, and I would like to thank players who voted for me, fans and all, and whom I showed something and I was there. That's why they voted me. I really like to thank them. I want to work hard, strong every day, to be better player every day and score more and more goals, whichever team I play.
Finally, the difference between you playing in Pylon Arrows and Air India?
Pylon Arrows are different side. They're all young, and we were all young and we were enthusiastic to win all the matches. But here in Air India, experience counts and everything. You get more senior players, foreigner players to compete them, and it's really tough, but it's encouraging, and it's like that.
Whom do you credit your award to?
Air India management, coach, obviously. Who just believed in me.
Do you think the I-League had a difference as they promised? It's basically your season at Salgankar that landed you in the Indian team. So now that you are in the Indian team, what's your next target of achieving your goals in the Indian team, like how you achieved at Salgankar?
Every player has a dream like playing for the country, and I want to play like every game at high level. Every day I will work hard in practices of India team as well as in Salgankar. I'll keep my goal like high. Scoring for India is my goal.
You see, India's level in world football is not very high. You cannot be proud of that. But as a player looking to improve, looking to give your best for the country,
it's all with the players only. They have to work hard like.
President of the FPAI Bhaichung Bhutia told Prudent what role the association plays in the players' lives.
I have with me the President of Football Players Association of India, Bhaichung Bhutia. Bhaichung, what are the usual problems faced by the Indian football players, and when do they come to FPAI with their problems?
No, I think it's just not problems. They need guidance, they need support, in terms of also future planning. We also educate players in terms of, in contracts issues. There's not much been problems. I think there have been few problems, but which we've been able to sort out with the players, with the concerned parties. But on the whole, it's also more to do with, educating the players in terms of everything, in terms of signing right contracts, signing future programs.
How do the clubs react to FPAI's rulings or FPAI's working?
I think clubs have been very, very supportive, because unless you don't get good support from the clubs, it becomes very, very difficult. I think most of the clubs have been always supportive. If there have been issues, there have been problems, we try and speak directly to clubs and sort out within the family itself. and I think it would be extremely difficult if you don't get support from federation and the club. So they have been quite helpful in that.
Our sports editor Neeraj Prabhu and sports reporter Nikhil Pereira with reporter Devendra Gaonkar from Miramar.
A best friend, a guide, a teacher, a person who knows you 9 months more than anybody. It's her day. It's Mother's Day. Mother's Day was celebrated on Sunday all over the world. Goa Forgiving Trust and Aamchi Paanji together celebrated Mother's Day in a different way. Kayaking display and no motorized zone activities were chosen on this day as dedication to the Mother Earth. Don't worry if you have missed this bulletin. Log on to www.prudentmedia.in, or you can also catch latest updates on Twitter by following us at Prudent Goa. Meet us on Facebook at www.facebook.com/prudentmedia. With this, we come to an end of this news bulletin. Keep watching Prudent Media. Goodbye.